Hi, I'm Tiff. I'm 53 and decided to try wingfoiling. Here's my journey. To be honest, it was one of the hardest things I've ever gotten myself into. We've been sailing our catamaran Little Bird about half of the year in the Caribbean. Wingfoiling seems to be the perfect active sport to do on a boat. Other than paddleboarding, I've never done any board sports, so this was a challenge. First, it was just balancing on the board. Having a big board to learn on was key. Then I had to learn how to use the wing, just sailing back and forth, not worrying about getting on foil. The first big success was staying upwind so the boys don't have to come and drag me back with the dinghy. No fun, I hate that. One of the coolest things about foiling was all the great friends we made along the way. Slowly I started getting up on foil. It's not like riding a bike. The board gets way more squirrely trying to figure out weight shifts. Geez, I wanted to quit a million times. That was a big learning curve. Then we stayed put on Union Island in the Grenadines. That was the ticket. But don't forget sun protection. It's hot in the tropics. I know, I look like a commando. 3 to 4 sessions a day for a few days and I was getting it. Man, did that make me hungry. But then you have to learn to go the other way. I didn't even know I was naturally goofy foot. I had to learn to go regular foot also. Wow, that was tricky. I did it. I freaking got up on my regular foot. I'm just so excited. Then it was time to move to the smaller board, so much more difficult and chop. But then I had it. Too bad it was time to put the boat away for hurricane season. What is it about learning something really hard and figuring it out?